Welcome everyone, this is Elijah Kangwa. So today let's look at this question which came last year 2025 paper 2 question 1 under matrix. So the question reads, given that matrix L is equals to this matrix and matrix M is equals to this matrix, find the value of x for which the determinant of matrix L and M are equal. So they're saying the determinant for this and this, it is equal, and then we find the value of x. So to find the value of x, the first thing we should have the determinant, and the determinant we don't have. So let's solve this question. So solutions to find the value of x. So to find the value of this x, we are going to use the formula minor diagonal minus the major diagonal. So we are going to say, where are the minor diagonal? These are minor diagonal and these are major diagonal. So let's say -3, or let's say 2 multiplied by x, open and cross, minus -3 times -4 is equals to determinant, and we don't have the determinant. So first of all, before going in further, let's find the determinant. So we can't use this matrix to find the determinant because we have a letter, so we can't have the actual number. So we're going to use this formula. So this matrix, so we're going to find the determinant for this matrix. So we're going to say, since it's minor diagonal minus the major diagonal, we're going to say -2 multiplied by 7, that is in brackets, minus, open brackets, -2 multiplied by 6. So this time this, it is -14, minus this time this, it is -12. So -14, negative times negative, positive 12, it is giving us -2. So this -2, it's our determinant. So now let's go back to the question to find the value of x. We are going to say it is equals to -2. So we are going to say this multiplied by this, 2x minus, open brackets, -3 times 4, it is -12. 12 cross is equals to -2. So, oh sorry, we made a mistake. Negative and negative, it is positive, so it is going to be a positive 12. So it will be 2x minus 12 is equals to -2. Since we are looking for this value, we are going to say 2x is equals to -2 plus 12. It will be 2x is equals to 10 divided by 2 divided by 2, it will be 5. So this 5 is our value of x. So where there is x, if you want, you can put a 5 in case they ask you to find the inverse. So next question. So let's go to the next question. So next question, they are saying find the inverse of matrix L. So how do we find the inverse of matrix L? First of all, matrix L is here. Matrix L is equals to -2, 6, 7. So the first rule is to multiply these all minor diagonal by -2. So this means when it is a negative, it will be a positive. This one, it will be a -6. And then you swap these. That's the rule. You swap these. The first rule is to multiply this by -2. When it is a negative, it will be a positive. When it is a positive, it will be negative. And you swap these major diagonals. So a 7 will come here, a -2 here. So this will be to find the inverse of L. To find the inverse of L, it will be, so we are going to say 1, which is constant, over the determinant, which is -2, is equals to, open bracket, 7 to -6, -2. So we are going to say this is over 1, over 1, over 1, over 1. So this one we multiplied by this one on top, and then this one down by -1, this one by this one by this, like that. So to find the determinant or the inverse, sorry, we're going to say this by this, it will be positive 7 over negative 2. So this one it will be 2 over negative 2. This one it will be negative 6 over negative 2. This one by this one it will be negative 2 over this one by this one it will be negative 2. You close and open, so you find the number which can go here and here without giving a remainder. So here we are just going to say 3 or number 1 over 2, or negative 3 or number 1 over 2. Here negative and negative cancel, 2 into 6 which is 3. So here it will be negative 1. Here this one cancel, it will be 1 positive. So therefore the inverse of L is equals to this. Like this, you have answered it correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put a like and comment.